Well, here's one I don't think anybody's gonna see anytime soon. This is a old ass American Baler, made in Bellevue and all that good stuff. Earlier today, it just would not turn on. I figured out why it wouldn't turn on. I got it to turn on now. Now it's just fine. Turn the key on. Everything turns on. Initializing. Da-da-da-da-da. Blah, blah. Turn it off. Good luck. Anyway, I'm not going to operate it at the moment. I'm just here to fix it. The problem was that somebody didn't pay attention to their wiring back here. I realize this is totally not up to safety, up to part code. Fuck all your politically correct crap, alright? Turn that off. Open that. Oh shit, I forgot that. Don't ever turn that back on. Just leave it off. OSHA would have a fucking fit. Fuck them. But what ended up happening is there was essentially no power going to the machine. Well, the reason why is, well, number one wire was not connected to number one spot. So I had to reconnect it, no big deal. Machine fired right up, no problem. Close the machine back up. I realize my camera view's probably not the best. Don't really care. Alright. And we are back in business. And this Baler, man, I tell you what, this thing is not, this thing is a beast. Several hundred tons of pushing force just to make cardboard bales. Anyway, figured you'd all love seeing this, including the confuggery that is what it is. Anyway, take care of y'all. Wait.